So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off your Life360 notifications. In order to turn off your Life360 notifications, you will need to adjust settings inside your Life360 app. So let's open this. You can check out your location and you can get your specific alerts for places or driving or blocking all alerts on there. So if you want to adjust the settings for those notifications, you can go within the app or go through your phone's settings. So let's start off from the app. You can go to the top left for your settings. Through there, you can see smart notifications, location sharing, circle management, add people to circle, account, flight detection, pet finder, share Life360, privacy center, help articles, and some other stuff that are available to you as well. Now on there, you can go to smart notifications and you can see the options for low battery notification. You can also see some severe weather alerts, real-time ads, and place ads. But within this, you can just toggle the switches to off for individual place or drive alerts per circle member. So on there, once you have a lot of people, it won't be just you that is mentioned there. It will be your other circle members. And once you're here, you can go to your apps and go to Life360. And you can see the options for your notifications and you can allow or disallow those and toggle them off or on. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.